Langboard OSB is part of the Langdale Company, a more than 125-year-old tradition of quality forest products and exceptional service. We produce Oriented Strand Board, a structural panel ideally suited for a variety of applications. Our process begins with over 100 log trucks arriving daily. The trucks, loaded with up to 32 tons of logs, are unloaded with a crane capable of unloading the truck with one grapple bite. The crane loads the logs into the two feeding decks, leading to the drum debarker to remove the bark from the trees. No part of the tree is wasted because the bark is recycled to the fuel system to heat the dryers. Once the logs are debarked, they're sent to two flakers. The logs are processed into flakes 4 5/8 inches long, 1 inch wide, and range from 0.025 to 0.03 inches thick. The precision-cut knives are rotating at 400 RPM, producing 70,000 pounds of flakes per hour per flaker. Flakes are then conveyed to two flake green storage bins with the capacity of 5,000 cubic feet each. These flakers are fed into the dryers over a Thayer weigh scale to ensure consistency throughout the material. This is to regulate temperature and ensure consistent moisture content during the drying process. The dryers are single-pass rotating drum dryers, each 60 feet long. Each dryer is heated by hot air created by the Welland's heat source at a rate of 320 million BTUs per hour. The dryers reach temperatures of approximately 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and are capable of drying up to 140,000 pounds an hour. The flakes are then conveyed to production. During production, the flakes are coated with a highly advanced resin and wax in two large blenders using specific formulations according to the product being produced. From blending, the flakes travel to the forming line. The line uses 4 forming head orientation rolls, 2 surface, top and bottom, and 2 core, top and bottom. These heads align the flakes parallel to the machine direction for the surface and perpendicular for the core. This gives the finished board structural integrity. What people don't realize is there is a lot of wood in every finished board. That tall mat of wood strands will end up as one strong and resilient board, ranging in thickness from 3/8 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. The mat goes into one of 12 openings in our Diefenbacher press, using heat at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit and pressure at about 4,000 pounds per square inch to transform the mats into the finished sheets you see in stores. Panels are cooled, cut to size, grade stamped, stacked in bundles, certified for quality, edge sealed, and receive the Langboard logo, a name specializing in quality and service. Further product differentiations take place in the finishing station, such as sanding, routing tongue grooves for flooring, and adding aluminum foil overlay laminated to the board for energy efficiency. Other end uses for the product include wall and roof sheathing, industrial panels, and panels specifically designed for the furniture industry. Finally, the finished products are loaded and shipped to its destination. In our quality assurance lab, our OSB is subject to many tests, such as load and deflection testing and linear expansion. These tests ensure it not only meets or exceeds industry specifications, but it meets the Langdale Company's high standards too. Now you know how this board is made. It is a small part of the billions of square footage of wood product Langdale Company produces each year. You don't see everything that goes into it, but that's okay. It's what you don't see that matters.